Hi, what to expect moms and moms to be. Welcome to Obey Fitness. I'm Francesca and this is your 10-minute yoga flow class. Here at Obey, we have a ton of prenatal yoga. You can find it on obeyfitness.com. So make sure to come back and check us out. Also, as always, make sure that you've consulted your doctor and that you are given the approval and the okay to work out. Let's get started. I have Jenny here with me today. Hi, Jenny. She's 28 weeks pregnant. So we're gonna meet on hands and knees. The hands should be shoulder width apart, the knees together and the feet apart today, just to release your sacrum plate, okay? So this is a different style of cat-cow. Scoot your knees really close towards each other, and as you inhale, arc your back, open the chest to throat your collarbones. Exhale, round your spine, feel your sacrum broadening from hip to hip. Good, breathe in, forward and up, arc, soften the elbows if you tend to lock your elbows. Exhale, round your spine. And twice more, breathe in, arc, out your mouth, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale. Good, take a moment to find a neutral spine, scoot your knees inner hip width apart now, and we're going to start with some hips and wrist circles. So flip your palms 180. Any wrist injuries, make sure to alternate hands. Soften the elbows, and we're going to move forward to the right, back and around. Soften the elbows here so you're getting into your wrist joints. Good, and now move your tail, move your hips, crunch one side of your waist, crunch the other side of the waist. Good. And without pausing, move forward, move to the left, back and around. You can start really small and gradually build it up. You're lubricating your joints. So good, Jenny. Good. And from here, pause, turn the palms to face forward. Open the knees wide and bring your big toes to touch, giving your a ton of space for your babe, right, to hanging there. Child's pose. Extend the arms all the way forward and out. Release your forehead onto the floor and feel the belly hanging heavy. Full breath in through the nose. Full breath out your mouth. Inhale. And exhale. We'll move forward into hands and knees for a wide-legged downward facing dog. So separate your feet almost as wide as your yoga mat. Tuck your toes and lift your seat up and back. And now that your feet are nice and wide, pedal through your feet and rock your heels side to side. So that again, you're giving your baby and your pelvic floor a ton of space so that you can move. Good, connect to your legs, the backs of the legs. Shrug and unshrug your shoulders. And breathe. And then slowly begin to walk forward, feet forward towards the hands. And without smashing the baby, soften the knees and let your head hang heavy. Chin to chest. Arms are heavy and long. Roll your way up to stand, keeping the knees slightly bent so that it's not harsh on your lower back. Good, and we've arrived, standing nice and tall. Lift the arms all the way up high. Take a breath. Flip your left palm and grab it with your right hand. And then from here, lean over to your right side and look to the left. Pop your left heel up. Make it sassy, girl. Pop your left heel. There you go. Take a breath in and out. Come through center. Lower the left heel. Grab your right wrist with your left hand. Lean to the left and pop your right heel up. Good. And take a breath in. Soften your face and out. Good. Come through center, release your heel, arms alongside of the body, feet together. So I'm going to walk you through a flow that's basically going to get everything moving. It's going to be super fun. Standing at the top of your mat. Inhale, lift the arms up high, see your hands and look up. Exhale, soften the knees, hands to your bricks, Jenny. Halfway, it's your folds. So if you don't have bricks, you can place your hands under the knees. And this is your forward fold, especially if you're past your first trimester, okay? Drop your head down for a moment. Good, long spine, inhale, pull the heart forward and look forward. Exhale, hands to the bricks. Step your left foot back into a low lunge. The bricks can be mid-setting, high setting. I recommend mid-setting for now. Drop your left knee down, untuck the left toes, and scoot your right heel out to the right a bit, Jenny. Good. Have your knee aligned with your armpit, shoulder, and then your knee aligned with your heel. So scoot your front heel forward a bit. There you go. So you have a clean 90-degree angle. Lift the arms up high, Anjaneyasana, crescent moon pose. Inhale. And lift your ribs, lift the heart, lift the chin, but then keep the foundation. Press firmly into the front foot. Squeeze your left butt cheek, and then pull the musculature of the pelvic floor up and in. Take one more in. As you exhale, hands return to the bricks. Tuck your back toes, float the back knee off the floor. Rock a little forward and back into the sole of your right foot, into the ball of the left foot, and feel your hip flexors opening a bit, the quads. Good. And from here, inhale, open the chest. Exhale, lift the hips, extend the front leg, pyramid fold. You can scoot your back foot in a few inches. And then because she's 28 weeks pregnant, I'm gonna ask you to lift your blocks a little higher so your baby has even more space. Good. Inhale, arc your back, open the chest. Exhale, drop your head down, let go. Swirl the hips a little right, a little left, a little side to side. Yeah, connecting to the backs of your legs, connecting to your mid hamstring, the outer thigh. And on the next breath, bend the front knee, inhale, look forward. Bricks to the sides. Step back, downward facing dog. Because you're a mom or a mom-to-be, and you're gonna have to carry your babe, we're gonna build some arm strength. Roll forward into plank, drop your knees down, stay in that modified plank pose. 3 chaturanga push-ups, or 5 if you like to. Bend the elbows straight back to 90. Exhale, extend. 1. Let's do 3. Bend, hug the midline, extend. 2. Last one, bend and extend. 3. Tuck the toes, pull the seat up and back, downward facing dog. Take a breath. Walk your feet forward towards the hands. Walk with your feet wide. Good. Inhale, long spine, hands to bricks or palms to shins, either or. Exhale, drop your head down, soften the knees. Good. Inhale, long spine. Last one. Exhale, hands to the floor. Step your right foot back into a low lunge. We'll do the other side. Good. Look forward. Lower the right knee down. Untuck the right toes. And then scoot your left heel over to the left so that you have more space. Inhale, lift the arms up high. Anjaneyasana, crescent moon pose. Lift your armpits, lift your chin, and lift your gaze up. Good. Scissor the thighs. Feel your pelvic floor working here. And as you exhale, lower the hands down to the bricks. Good, Jenny. Tuck your back toes. You're in a low lunge. Make your hips buoyant and rock forward and back. And look forward. Open up your chest, your collarbones. You're connecting to your left hip, but you're also connecting to the front of your right thigh, right? Your quad. And then from here, take one more inhale. Exhale, extend the front leg and fold forward over a straight, or rather a strong left leg. Rock your hips side to side. Here you have options, right? If your hamstrings are super tight, you can rise high into the ball of your right foot. If you're feeling a ton of tension, flex your right foot, and then your left foot rather, and have your toes face your forehead, and that will give you a little bit of extra juice. Soften the shoulders. Inhale, bend the front knee. Bricks to the sides, downward facing dog. Lift your hips. So good. Last chaturanga set. Inhale, forward plank. Drop your knees down, modified push-up. Untuck the toes, squeeze your glutes, belly in. Bend the elbows, exhale, inhale, lift up. Bend the elbows to 90, look forward, lift up, 2, last one, Jenny, so good. 3, good. Child's pose, pull the hips all the way back, knees are wide, let go. Full breath in through the nose. Open the mouth, side out. Roll your way up slowly, slowly, slowly. Sit on your heels, cross your legs, so scooch to one side. And we'll sit nice and tall to close our practice. Hands through heart center, taking a few breaths here. Breathe in wide. Breathe out long. Shh. Almost as if you were pushing air down a straw. Inhale wide. Exhale long. Shh. Breathe in wide. Breathe out long. Shh. Gratitude for the tools and for each other's practice. See you soon. Namaste and thank you.